What's he doing? He's on the wrong side of the road. Yeah. This police driver knows what he's doing. He is like an ex-racing driver. Look at this gap he does. Look at that. It's gonna ram him. It's gonna ram him. Oh, it's gonna ram him. It's rammed him. Look at him. Whoa. Whoa. Got him. I have just come across one of the most craziest police chases I've ever seen in the UK. There's basically a Vauxhall Astra that's trying to ram the police driver in a brand spanker BMW. So we're going to watch it together right now. Obviously, this is all for educational purposes, by the way. Look at that. Look at that, man. It took him off the road. Oh, there we go. The Vauxhall Astra. I love these videos, man. When you got someone in like a proper cheap car trying to get away from the police, like it's going to be extremely hard. Why try? So let me just rewind that back again. So my man's in a, hold on, he's zoomed past. Like, don't get me wrong, these people, like they try their best to get away. Like that brand spanker BMW right there. It's like one of them G80 M3 Tourings. Obviously it's not, but it looks like it. Obviously police cars are tuned as well. So let's go. He's going. Well, that police car's going fast as well. Look at him. Look at the Astra. I'm trying to get away. I'm trying to get away. Is he slowing down? Like the way that ambulance car stopped. Was it an ambulance? 1 second. What was that? What was that? I'll just pause it. Highway maintenance. Good man. Look at the Astra. What's he doing? He's on the wrong side of the road. Yeah. I know what he's trying to do. I know what he's trying to do. That's like a tactic that you do. People do it so that they call off the police chase and they'll be like sending the chopper because it's too dangerous for public people on the road. But it's crazy to be doing that. The beamer's gone far left, obviously. Oh, sorry, what was that on the road? What was that on the road? What was that? It's like straps. Okay, he's going. He's going. This is mad. I like the way the police drivers are far left. Okay, he's going for the maneuver. Whoa, what's crazy this is. Mad. He's trying to get big props, police officer. Look at that. Watch this. That is squeeze bend style driving. Look at this. Look at this gap he does. Look at that. That is mad. Big respect to the police driver. He's a Stig. He's a Stig driver. Look at the way he slams his brakes. Like he's like tapping. Tap, 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 tap. What a legend. This police driver knows what he's doing. He is like an ex-racing driver. He knows what he's doing. Okay. It says here he showed no intention of stopping. Of course not, man. He's going to get away in his Vauxhall Astra. Come on. Oh. Okay. All right. It's going. There's another police car there on the left. Man. Tactical force was authorized. A good police car. Okay. It's going to ram him. Oh, it's going to ram him. It's rammed him. Whoa. So much dust everywhere. I can't see what's going on. All right. He's going again. Where's he going? Oh, he's going to a dealership. That's an Evo. It's an Evo 5. Oh, beautiful car. All white. That's an RS as well. So glad he didn't smash into that. Let's just rewind that again. Pulls in the right to the dealership as if like, please, like, help me out, man. Like, I'm just test driving the Vauxhall Astra from this dealership. That's all I was doing. Panicked. So glad he didn't hit into that Evo 5. It's an Evo 5, isn't it? Evo 6. It's an Evo 6, I'm going to say. That's a nice car, that is. Beautiful GDM. Oh, copper come out. Oh, you know what? Police officers all blacked out. You don't want to mess with them. Oh my God, look at him. Look at him. Whoa. Got him. This is like the game Driver or Grand Theft Auto in UK. So that was absolutely crazy. Big props to the police officer. I think if it wasn't for that BMW police driver that knows exactly what he's doing, he knew how to stay in the left lane, stay safe, keep public safe, and then when the right moment, right time, does a crazy maneuver, then goes next to him and then tries to push him off the road, which he does successfully, ends up in a dealership. Don't know why, but it happened. But anyway, that's a quick little video. Hope you guys enjoyed that. If you're new, subscribe, drop a comment down below, smash that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. We've got loads more videos coming, man. And we're cooking the videos up.